Welcome to the fifth and final episode of our series on ORYX CAD, version 1.2. In native Blender, an object you create is set in stone. There's no changing its size without starting over from scratch. With ORYX CAD, it's different. Every part stays editable at any time. Today, we're bringing back our gears, screws, springs, and clips and adjusting every one of their parameters. Let's start with the gear. You adjust the outer diameter and the wheel grows or shrinks. The number of teeth changes how fine it is. The pressure angle changes the shape of the teeth, and the thickness makes the wheel thicker or thinner. Below that, you can drill a central bore with its keyway, that little groove that locks a shaft in rotation, by setting its width, depth, and angle. And the printing clearance adjusts the margin so your part prints without forcing. Now the screw and nut. You change the nominal diameter and the length to fit your assembly. The thread pitch sets the spacing between threads. The smaller it is, the more precise the grip. You also adjust the head, its width and height. And you choose the thread type, smooth for a quick preview, or real helical for a thread that actually screws in, tooth by tooth. On the flat spring, you first choose its shape, helical or zigzag. Then, you set its length, width, thickness, and the width of each blade. The number of zigzags and the segments per half turn fine-tune its flexibility. And the most impressive part, a tension slider shows you leave how the spring compresses under load, along with its travel and its length once fully compressed. And finally, the clip. A checkbox makes it removable or permanent. You set the diameter of the shaft, the diameter of the head that snaps in place, and the shaft length based on the thickness it needs to go through. The base, its diameter and height, defines the clip's foundation, and the printing clearance adjusts the fit, so the snap is never too tight or too loose. Over 5 episodes, you discovered the philosophy behind ORYX CAD, its creation tools, its transformation tools on a single object, its assembly tools on 2 objects, and now, the freedom to modify anything, anytime. Download ORYX CAD 1.2 today and dive into your first project. That was the final episode of this presentation series. All the info to get ORYX CAD 1.2 is in the description. Now it's your turn.